This body I'm living in, it's weak. Human. It's dying. It was never made to do the things that I can do. But you're only part human. You have all the power that I have inside of you. Like father, like son. But this corporeal form can wield the power without burning itself up. To help you relax. That will keep him sedated until the ceremony.
Politicians, murderers, people of influence. The devil's soldiers. They've traveled from all over the world to witness the anointing of the new king. Please, if the rock succeeds,